Yeah, this question from AS Physics. The particle initially at rest, which means no initial velocity. No initial velocity. The particle is moving from A to B. That means, okay, the resultant force is like in the direction of A and B. But it's in vacuum. So there is a gravitational force. So we have a force here, mg. What they told you, just wait. It's 5.4 times 10 to the power -5 Newton. To make a resultant force diagonal direction, we need the other force to the left. So other force is the electric force from the electric field. But this particle is negatively charged. Negatively charged. If you have force to the left, that means this way all positive charge, this way negative charge. Negative charge on, because here is negative. After this analyze, you can say part A. You can say part A. You need a two parallel plate, vertical on. Two plates are vertical. Of course, separate. We can say two parallel plates. And the left one positively charged, the right one negatively charged. Okay, that's the idea. Okay. For electric force, we have formula F equals EQ. E is the electric field strength, which is given here. Q is the charge, is also given. Here, after we use calculator calculated, we got 4.8 times 10 to the power -5 Newton. Your resultant force. One force to the left, one force downwards. So resultant force, you just use Pythagoras. Just use Pythagoras. So 4.8 times 10 to the power -5 squared plus, the vertical one is the weight, 5.4 times 10 to the power -5 squared. And then square root. Okay, we got 7.2 -5 Newton. Why resultant force constant? The electric force constant. Because the field is uniform. E constant. The Q, of course, constant. Both E and the Q constant. So electric force constant. And the weight also constant. No change. So the resultant force are constant. Constant. Yeah, because the horizontal one, no change. Vertical one, no change. The resultant, no change. Acceleration. Newton's law. Acceleration equals F over m. F is right here. M? You need to calculate m. They just gave you the weight. M equals weight over g. G is 9.81. Okay. So after you got it, put here the acceleration 13 meter per second square. Your initial velocity is 0. They ask you what's v. We have a formula, v squared equals u squared plus 2s, because the acceleration constant and moving in straight line, so we can use this formula. So u squared just 0. So 2as. So we got v after use calculator on 3.9 meter per second. That's how we work out this question.